Hi guys, Steph here. Look at this. What have we got for you here? Dead simple, the Conway Stewart pen. As you can see, the box is in gorgeous condition. It's not very often you find a box as nice and clean as this, but let's open it up. Let's put the pen to one side. There you go. We've got the original instructions inside that unfortunately don't want to come out, so don't you just love it when that happens on camera? So, oh dear, let's get our little knife out. There we go. Let's pop the knife to one side. There we go, the original instructions. So to one side you've got the Conway Stewart guarantee. To the other side, the instructions how to use the lever filling pen. So as you can see, not only is the box in gorgeous condition, I don't think these instructions have actually seen the light too many times. So let's pop that to one side and let's bring on the pen. There we have it. Absolutely gorgeous. What we've got for you is a Conway Stewart number 388 fountain pen in this beautiful green marbling colour. Now, for you people that watch my videos regular, you'll know that I've shown you this pen before in different colours. I think, if I remember rightly, I've done you a blue one, I've done you a sort of burgundy mauve coloured one as well. I don't think I've shown you a green one, but irrespective if I have, and well, I think this one, because of the condition of this pen, it's worthy of a review because it's in superb condition. I think this pen has simply been sat in the box for many years. When I say many years, the date of the pen is from around about the 1950s, so when I received it, it did not need a lot of work. I just simply put a new sack in it, cleaned everything, disassembled and cleaned everything, gave it a polish. It's in superb condition, so well worthy of a review in its own right. So as I say, it's the 388. Now if we show you the barrel imprint, okay, I think that's it there. So what you'll see, it says Conway Stewart 388 and then underneath made in England. Now the fact that this one says Conway Stewart 388 is indicating to us that this is the later model, because the earlier models had the Conway Stewart and then the number was normally underneath. So this one is what we term as a late model. The size of it from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, 126 millimeters capped. Around the diameter, around about 10.5 millimeters in diameter. As you can see, it's a lever filling fountain pen. It's got the Conway Stewart logo to the lever. Again, in superb condition. A lot of times I find these pens, there's a little bit of pitting or something on the clips. This, well, not just the clips, but also sorry, not the clips, the lever and the clips, but this one is in beautiful condition, as you can see there. Let's take you up to the cap. You can see it's got the 3 cap bands to the bottom of the cap there. The very recognisable Conway Stewart clip to the top of the cap there. There's a sideways view, and as you can see there, all in beautiful condition. To the very top we've got this peaked cap stud there, again nice and clean, and that sort of matches the black sort of end of the barrel, as you can see there. All in all, beautiful pen in stunning condition. It's actually one of the best sort of condition 388s that I may have actually had. So let's unscrew the cap for you. let's show you there the different angles of the pen, give you the customary twirl. The 3A8s in this sort of the later models, they came in different marbling colours, some of them being, I believe they may have actually had what they term as a forest green, which I'm not too sure what colour that would be, but this one's the green marbling. They also brought them out, which I've shown you, is a blue and a burgundy marbling coloured ones, and I think they, well, as all pens, they brought them out in a classic black colour as well. But as we said, this one is this gorgeous green marbling. There's the section for you, slight taper towards the nib. It's got this ridge towards the end of the nib there, and let's bring the nib a little bit closer for you, and it reads Conway Stewart 14 karat gold, and then to the bottom, you can't see it, it's actually within the section, it's the correct 5N nib. Okay, there's a sideways view for you. Let's show you the feed, the standard sort of Conway Stewart plain feed. As you can see, everything in gorgeous, nice, clean condition. The 3A8s, lovely pens. They're not large pens, they're not small pens, but they make excellent everyday writing pens. As I've said in other videos, I've got quite large hands, but in my hand it's still a nice, comfortable pen to hold and to write with. Yeah, I said to, pardon? Ah, you want to see it writing. Okie dokie. Right, what we'll do, because we've put a new sack in it, we'll fill it. Well, we won't fill it up, we'll just... Okay, lots of bubbling going on, which is what we like to see and what we like to hear. Give it a wipe with our tissue. Let's bring on our trusty little pad and let's see how the pen writes. So, what we've got is a Conway Stewart. As we said, it's a 388. Nice and simply, made in England in the 1950s. Writing, I would say, as you can see there, with a fine line. Is there any variation in line? I would say no, it's not a flexi nib. There we go. Writing with a fine line, so a Conway Stewart with a fine nib. As you can see there, a writing sample, nice writer as you'd expect from this gorgeous pen. So let's put the cap back on, and there we have it, a gorgeous marble green. Let's give you a little bit of a close-up of this gorgeous colour. Okay, in beautiful condition. As I say, it didn't need a lot of work doing to it. It was in lovely condition when I found it. It just needed a little bit of tweaking, but all in all, a superb example. As I said, I've shown you this one before, but this one more than worthy a review of its own. And also the reason being, it comes with this box, which is in superb condition as well. So if we pop that on there like so, there we have it, a Conway Stewart 388 from the 1950s in marble green, beautiful, beautiful pen. So let's find a new home for it. Someone will enjoy this pen for many years to come. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't be shy, leave a comment below. Have you subscribed? If not, why not subscribe now? And if you possibly can, down below, please support my work. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.